We, the students of Pratap World School Indora, are here to discuss for Viksit Bharat Bildathan 2025. To discuss our prototype, Vocal for Local, we have a very proud owner of Virsa Agro, Mrs. Madhu Mohan. Please discuss about your products.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank the students, the management, the staff of Pratap World School who have chosen Virsa Agro for this thing. So this is Get Vocal for Local. Basically, is a slogan given by our Prime Minister to encourage the women entrepreneurs as well as the Har Ghar startup scheme. So under that, we are already making 35 to 40 products, pickles, dips, jams, chutneys, amla based products like amla candy. One is sweet, one is with masala. And there are some very unique pickles which Virsa Agro is preparing, like Kali Haldi pickle, which is a very good for consuming the patients which are having who are having problem with heart, liver, kidney, as well as joints, and it can cure ulcers also. So this is a very unique thing. And let me tell you one thing, that my this product was showcased in World Food Exhibition Pragati Maidan, and it was the our honorable Prime Minister was the chief guest there, and you can see my products are there. I showcased all the products here, and he is looking at my own products. So it was like a proud moment for me that day. And we have some health-based products like Harad pickle, and we have this methi dana pickle. Fenugreek seeds are sprouted. We sprout it and then we prepare a pickle. This pickle is good for the patients who are suffering from bones pain, joint pains, or liver, and it's a very good source of immunity. So, like that, these are our pickles range. So, anything else you want to ask?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. Your words inspired us so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing, that children like you who are studying in schools and who are in hostels and all, so we have a very good range of jams also. Okay. These jams are farm fresh fruit. We take farm fresh fruit and we make the jam, and all these kind of jams are made with very moderate quantity of sugar, and there is no artificial color and no artificial flavor in this. And this is the product which I was talking about. This is a roast red chili dip, which we supply in pan India level in restaurants all over India as well as in abroad also. So this is like Shezwan. So you can you can have a pan and put some raw vegetables and small quantity of noodles, boiled noodles, and put just half a spoon of this, and your a bowl of spicy and tasty noodles will be ready. So this is my star product. You can go for it. And besides this, we have a plum preserve. Uh, Pathankot is a surrounded with hills, and we buy such kind of fruits and vegetables from Himachal.
Yes, ma'am.
So this plum is it was bought from Himachal Kullu. So we make a product like plum preserve. Jam तो सभी बनाते हैं, but we made preserve. It's a chutney kind of thing. You can use with parathas as well as on bread, or with rice also you can have. So it is okay with if you consume it as a bread spread or paratha spread. You would like to have it?
Yes,
So
ma'am,
we
for
have
sure.
we have gifts for you also.
Thank you.
And here, let me tell you this thing also. If you want to gift somebody something good and healthy, you can go for it. This is a small hamper, and we have put all the jams, And if you want some pickles also, we have this kind of a hamper also. And this is a very proud moment for me, people from Pratap World School. And I'm really emotional and touched because this was all my field. But now I have changed the whole thing, and I have put my effort in this.
As ma'am, we can see so many products are there. So from how many years you are into this?
Yeah, I have started in 2021.
Okay.
So this was my passion, and I started it. I got a good response because I make all the things in an organic way. And Ministry of Food Processing, they came to me, and they just offered me the schemes of financial help. So they offered me the loan and all. Only then, and I could I could make, and I could complete my
Okay, ma'am.
I wanted to complete my dream, but dream is still there. But thing is, you have to chase your dream.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
have to
for
work
sure.
hard for your dream. So I'm working.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious time. You are such an inspiration for all of us.
Thank you so much. But I would like to introduce my team also here.
For sure.
I would like to call my team here. Come here. This is our backup team. Few of our team is not here. Few of the members. This is our backup team. When you are at a front, there should be something at the back.
Yeah,
So
for
this
sure.
is our backup team. They prepare everything. They are always there for my help. See, you have come on Sunday. I have called them on Sunday, and they are there.
Yes,
So this should be the feeling. And they all work. We all work together. Only that is why we are progressing.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Rather, I am thankful to you. So, what is next?